my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. That guy just lost a bunch of stuff out of his... Yeah, oh my god, he's still losing stuff out the back. Holy crap. Whoa. Jesus.
Criminy. They were gonna get over and then decided not to get over. And then decided they again needed to get over.
Got this tiny little fish showing it off. It's like an inch long.
It's almost a
There's
crash behind us. Sorry for the bad angle in this one. Unfortunately, I had my front camera pointing a little bit too far down, but it just manages to catch what happens here. Basically, the car in the left lane gets brake checked, they move over without seeing me, and we have a pretty close call.
Whoa!
Whoa.
You been to the, you been to a Phillies game? Oh, yeah. Okay. This is what it's like. This is what it's like when he's not.
This is one of Portland's worst intersections, and a handful of people somehow end up sort of in the middle of this intersection and have to back up out of the MAX train's way. Well, all of those cars are in the wrong place. What in the fuck is going on? This guy's. Good. Dear.
Oh, they're so little.
I see. So pretty extreme tailgating.
Things to fill some space up on your body for tattoos. Maybe go for every Jolly Green Giant. Oh, that's interesting. You know what I gotta get tattooed now that I'm thinking about it? We're talking about Eric and our friends from this
Whoa.
Whoa! Whoa! What the fuck?
I love the OLED. I don't miss it as much as I thought I would when I'm playing these other devices, though.
Yeah.
It is really nice, but if you like, you could save your money. If you have the old one, it's not really that crazy.
Right.
Oh my god, fucking go! What the hell are we doing here, people?
We had our first snow of the year, and of course the good people of Vancouver were out to enjoy it to its fullest. Also, to clarify, I don't actually know either of these BMW drivers. I just happened to be behind them when they started drifting, and so I kind of remained behind them for a little bit longer than I needed to just because it was entertaining. But I will mention, this is not strictly legal, and, you know, if a cop saw it, they probably wouldn't be thrilled, so I'll leave it at that. You can draw your own conclusions. All that said, I am very much for having a little bit of fun if you're on private property and not actively around any other traffic. Been a while since we've had an installment of Portland's terrible roads, this time with a massive dip that I almost did not see until the last second. This white pickup truck fails to stay in their own lane during this dual right turn going into Vancouver Mall and actually honks at me. And then immediately following that, this white Mazda just decides to run a red light as we're going through the intersection.
And you're running a red light. What are you fucking doing? How is this intersection supposed to even work? I'm not supposed to stop, but also I have to leave room for oncoming traffic.
Doesn't need help with anything. So when the world's biggest, what was that? Say, you're really late for this one already.
Asshole.
The world's biggest technology.
Just kidding, I was.
I just wanted to point out here, this car has their right turn signal on as they're entering the highway, like they're going to take the next exit, and then instead change their mind and merge over a lane far earlier than was necessary.
Now to you. I feel like if Eric posted a trailer for the Master Chief collection, guy was like, pretty sure Master Chief was already in this. I'm pretty sure he was already in this. Stay in this.
Nick was having frame rate problems, and I was doing a backup recording of my screen. And I said, oh, I might have to use my footage. And then Nick was like,
Like the scientists would have been eat. I like the Yeti theory.
Yeah, no, I did
Yeah,
too.
yeah, he was good.
But it's, I'm not lying though. There are people that have told stories.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, dude.
Thanks for watching, folks. The remainder of the video is just going to be a couple of scenic clips, one from the Badlands National Park in South Dakota, and another crossing over the Mackinac Bridge in Michigan with Lake Michigan on the left and Lake Huron on the right. You'll also notice I did a little bit of a channel rebrand and changed that little channel icon that shows up, so if you've seen a bunch of shorts pop up, that is not stolen content, that is in fact me just publishing some old clips, so thank you for watching, I appreciate it.